Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to create an invoice in Stripe. So the first step is to go to Stripe, and then you'll have to simply go to billing, and then here you'll have to simply click on quick actions, and then simply click on create invoice, and then here you have to simply enter your customer name, and basically you have to select the type of payment collection you want. Here you can add additional options. So you can add the memo, footer, custom fields, and tax ID. And if you want, you can use one of their templates. And here on the right side, as you can see the invoice PDF, or you can simply choose email, and basically you can send them via email, and then they're gonna see something similar to this, and then they'll have to simply pay the invoice. And if you go to payment page, as you can see, here is the payment page. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.